it is showing a lot of decimal places. Let's make it 2 decimal places. To limit them to 2 decimal places, go to labeling and then select expression. From the language drop down, select Python. You can format numbers to show only 2 decimal places in Python using string formatting. This 2f means 2 decimal places, float value. We are having an error. It says the field that confidence is in string format. Let's convert it to float and verify. Now the expression is valid. Let's click apply. We can see that our formatting is done. Now only 2 decimal places are visible.